Hello everyone! Hi, my name is Marcella and today we're going to be doing some QianKun exercises together. So I hope that you're ready. You can have your sticks nearby, have comfortable clothing, have water also close to you, and let's get started. So today's class is going to be about giving energy to ourselves and having more energy, more chi in our bodies. So we're going to start, but first we can blow on the sticks 3 times. You can relax the arms, open the legs wide, bend the knees slightly. And we're gonna start with some breathings here, inhaling through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Relaxing the shoulders. In our next exhale, we're going to bring the sticks above our heads. We can inhale through the nose. Exhale, bring the arms up. Well done. Okay, we're gonna start by having the right leg back and the left leg forward. Have your index finger on the sticks. You can bring them forward in front of you. Breathe in through the nose. Exhale, open the arms. Well done. Slowly release. Let's try the other side. Right leg goes forward, left leg goes back, and slightly bend the knees. Bring the sticks in front of you. Breathe in, breathe out. Well done. Slowly release. Bring the left leg forward, right leg back. Bend the knees slightly. And this time we're going to bring our arms up, crossing, and then exhale, release. Okay, let's try the other side. Bringing the arms up, inhale, and exhale. Nice. Okay, coming back other side. Right leg back, bending the knees slightly, having your index finger. We're going to do big circles, inhaling, bringing both arms up. Exhale back. Well done. Normally we would go down with the same leg, but this time we're just going to do the left leg back, and then we're gonna do the reverse. But if you're by yourself, you can do the same leg, you can do the two sides. Okay, let's try. Inhale back and up, and exhale down. Well done. Slowly release, bring the sticks next to you and have them from the edges. And this time we're going to do side circles, inhaling to the left. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's try the other side when you're ready. Good job. Catch your breath. And we can have our legs hip apart. Bend your knees slightly here. We're gonna have our sticks in front of us. We're gonna breathe in here in the center. And when we exhale, maintain your arms straight and exhale to a twist to the right side. The head follows. Still feel a nice stretch on your back. Inhaling, coming back to the center. Same side, exhale. Inhaling, coming back. Exhale. Inhale. And release. Okay, let's try the other side, having the legs bent slightly, arms forward. Breathe in through the nose, breathe out through the mouth to the left side to feel a nice stretch. And release. Okay, let's bring it behind our tailbone. And from here, where you have the slight curve, you can massage up and down. You can take your time moving to one side and to the other. Normalize your breath. And then from here, locking the knees, we're gonna move the hips in circle, inhaling forward, exhaling back. Let's try the other side, inhaling forward, exhale back. Okay, coming back to the center, inhaling the spine, look up to the sky. Exhale, go down to the floor. Maintaining your chest straight. Chest facing forward. Hold down, slowly release, bring them behind your neck. We can do the same, massage up and down. Bending the knees slightly, move the body towards the side into a twist. Inhaling one side, exhale to the other. Coming back to the center when you're ready. Coming back into the center. Inhale, lengthen the spine, look up towards the sky. Exhale, squatting down. Maintaining your chest facing forward. Well done. Stretch up towards the sky. Move side to side. And move into a circle. Inhaling forward. Exhale back. You can try the other side. Inhaling forward, inhale, exhale back. And now bring it on top of your head, and this is gonna be the last movement of today. Inhaling, length the spine. Exhaling, squatting down. Well done, and release slowly down. We have finished. Good job, you did amazing. Let's close the same way as we started, having the sticks down, breathe in through the nose, and bring above your head. Thanking ourselves for this practice, thanking our health, and thanking our family. So 2 more. I hope you had a great time today. Thank you so much for joining. If you liked it, you can give me a thumbs up, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.